Hello, my name's David. I own Little Houses Plus and Small World Products. Small World Products is the part of the company that we are wiring specialists. And today I want to talk to you about how you're going to get your fires to flicker, and also any candles that you have in your house. And this can be separate candles or even candelabra. So we'll start off with how you're going to get your fires to flicker. You can use one of these LED bulbs, and if you've only got one fire in the house or two, you might find this very useful. And this comes with a flicker unit already attached to it. So you just attach this to your lighting system and the bulb will already flicker. You don't need a flickering unit for this. If you've got more than one or two fires, you might want to have a flickering unit. And for that, you would have a bulb like this, just a bulb on the end of a wire, and that would fit into the flicker unit that we're now doing. This flicker unit will take up to 4 outlets, and you can put 2 bulbs into each outlet, so that will give you a total of 8 bulbs or 8 lights, because a light only has 2 wires coming off it. If you find that that's not quite big enough, you can attach that to one of these, which is an SW03S, which has 6 outlets, which will mean that you can actually use 6 of these attached to that. And if you need more outlets, you could use an SW01, but if you think you need to be going to that size because you need a great number of flicker units, I would suggest you then look at our remote control units, which will let you do much more in the way of changing the flickering speed. So if you've got a candle, you can have it just flickering or not flickering. Fires, you can bring up and down in the how much flicker you want to have on them. If you've already got one of these little units with your lights in, you can also just take a wire from here, the little square box, and plug it into your flicker unit to have an outlet on there. I hope you found this useful, and you can find more information on our website, which is www.littlehouses-shop.co.uk, or on www.smallworldproducts.co.uk. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching this video.